Good morning children, welcome to Maths class. Today we are going to study the last unit 9. Let us read pictures. Now let us start our today's class. Look at the first activity, quiz competition. Here a quiz master recording points in the Maths club quiz. If a team correctly answers a question given to them, they get a star. If they pass the question and another team answers it correctly, that team gets a triangle. This is the scoreboard at the end of the quiz competition. The quizmaster also said that 10 points for star and 5 points for triangle. Then can you calculate the total points that are got by each team? Look, a team A got 4 star and 3 triangles. Therefore, score for 4 star is equal to 4 into 10, that is equal to 40. Here 4 means they got 4 star, 10 means the star has assigned to be a value of 10. So they got 40 points. Then the score for 4 triangles is equal to 4 into 5. Here they got 4 triangles. Each triangle has to be assigned a value 5, so they got 20. Total score for team A is equal to 40 plus 20 equal to 60. Then you find the score of other teams also. Team B got 3 stars and 2 triangles. So the value of points will be 3 into 10 equal to 30. Then 2 triangles, 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Then the total score of B will be 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. Then what about C? Team C got 5 stars and 3 triangles. So the point will be 5 into 10, that is equal to 50. 3 into 5 equal to 15. So the total point will be 65. And also D got 2 stars and 3 triangles. So the point will be 2 into 10, that is equal to 20. 3 into 5 equal to 15. Total points will be 20 plus 15 equal to 35. Then can you say which team won this competition? Yes, the C team has won the competition. They got the highest point in this competition, that is they got 65 points. Look at the next activity, how many students. The table below shows the number of students in different divisions of class 5. This column denotes the number of boys and the second column denotes the number of girls. They also given that the picture of a boy is used to indicate 5 boys and the picture of a girl is used to denote 5 girls. Then can you find out the answers of these questions? Let us do. In which division is the number of girls more? How many girls are there in that division? At a glance we can say that the number of girls more in 5B. In 5B we can see 5 pictures of girls. Each picture of a girl indicate 5 girls. So the total number of girls in 5B will be 5 into 5, that is equal to 25. So B division has more number of girls and the total number of girls in B division will be 5 into 5, that is equal to 25 girls. Then how many boys are there in 5C and how many girls? In the division C we can see 4 pictures of boys. Each picture is used to indicate 5 boys. So total number of boys in the division C is 4 into 5, that is equal to 20 boys. Then how many girls? Here 3 pictures of girls are there. So the total number of girls is equal to 3 into 5, that is equal to 15 girls. 20 boys in 5C and 15 girls in 5C. What is the total number of students in each division? In 5A there are 4 pictures of boys and 4 pictures of girls. So the total number of boys will be 4 into 5, that is equal to 20, and the total number of girls will be 4 into 5, that is equal to 20. Therefore, the total number of students in 5A equal to 20 plus 20 equal to 40. Then in 5B, 3 pictures of a boys and 5 pictures of a girls. So, the total number of boys will be 3 into 5, that is equal to 15, and the total number of girls will be 5 into 5, that is equal to 25. So, the total number of students in 5B equal to 15 plus 25 equal to 40. Then what about 5C? There are 4 pictures of boys and 3 pictures of girls. So, the total number of boys will be 4 into 5, that equal to 20, and the girl will be 3 into 5 equal to 15. So, the total number of students in 5C will be 20 plus 15, that is equal to 35. And in 5D, 2 pictures of boys and 3 pictures of girls. So, the total number of boys will be 2 into 5 equal to 10, and the girls will be 3 into 5 equal to 15. So, the total number of students will be 10 plus 15 equal to 25. Now, we found out total number of students in each division. Next one, how many more girls than boys are there in all? For finding this, we have to subtract the total number of boys from the total number of girls. This more number of girls is equal to total number of girls minus total number of boys, that is equal to 75 minus 65 equal to 10. Then look at the next activity, school library. The table below shows the number of books in the Panchayat UP school. Here we can see 6 category of books, and also they are given that the picture of a book is used to indicate 100 books. Then can you say which type of book is most in this library? At glance we can say that novel type book is most in this school library. Then can you find out the total number of books in this library? Let us do. In this novel category, we can see 8 pictures of a book. Each book has to be assigned a value 100. So, the total number of novel book is equal to 8 into 100, that is equal to 800. In the case of short story, 7 pictures of books. So, the total number of books under the category of short story will be 7 into 100, that is equal to 700. 5 pictures of books are in poem types. So, the total number of book will be 5 into 100, that is equal to 500. 2 pictures of books are in the category of drama. So, the total number of drama books is 2 into 100, that is equal to 200. Books under autobiography category is 5 into 100, that is equal to 500. 7 pictures of books are in the other category. So, the total number of books will be 7 into 100 equal to 700. Then can you find out the total number of books in the library? Yes. By adding total number of books in each category, we get total number of books in the library. By adding these numbers, we get 3400. So, the total number of books in the school library is 3400. Then next activity, how many cars? The picture below shows the number of cars manufactured by a company from 2010 to 2013. They are also given that each picture of a car is used to indicate 10,000 cars. Then look at this question based on this picture. In which year did they make the most number of cars and how many? We can see that in 2011 they made most number of cars. How many? Here we can see 10 pictures of cars. Each picture of a car has to be assigned a value 10,000. So, the total number of cars that are manufactured in 2011 will be 10 into 10,000. That is equal to 1 lakh. Then next one, how many more cars did they make in 2011 than in 2013? In 2011 they made 1 lakh cars. In 2013, we can see 9 pictures of a car. So, the number of cars will be 9 into 10,000. That is 90,000 cars are manufactured in 2013. Then more number of cars they made in 2011 than in 2013 is, in 2013 they made 90,000 cars and in 2011 they made 1 lakh car. So the more number of cars will be 1 lakh minus 90,000 equal to 10,000. By doing these activities, we can see that the pictures are used to represent numerical information. That means in this case, showing the number of cars manufactured from 2010 to 2013, they give only the pictures of cars. But they give the data that each car is assigned a value of 10,000. That is, here the pictures are used to represent numerical information. Such a picture is called a pictograph or pictogram. It is a convenient method to exhibit information involving large numbers. It also makes comparison easy. Let us conclude that a graph which represents data through pictures of objects is called a pictograph. It is one of the methods to represent data. One drawback is that we cannot express the values smaller than the assigned value that are given to a picture. Look at this part. The picture below shows the number of students in a class who got various grades in mathematics in the half-yearly examination. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 marked on the vertical line shows the number of students. Numbers are marked on the vertical line in such a way that they are at equal distance. The grade A, B, C, D are marked on the horizontal line. Rectangles having the same width are drawn on each grade. The height of the rectangle shows the number of students. Then can you complete the table using this picture? How many students got A grade? We can see that 8 students got A grade. Then how many students got B grade? By looking at the height of the rectangle that are drawn on the B grade, we can see that 10 students got B grade. Then the number of students got C grade will be 9. Number of students got D grade will be 5. And the number of students got E grade, yes, 1 student got E grade. Now we completed this table. This method of showing numerical information using rectangles is called a bar diagram or bar graph. So we can say that this is a bar diagram showing the number of children in a class who got various grades. The next activity, the picture below shows the runs scored by the Indian cricket team in the first 5 overs of a match. That is, this bar diagram shows the number of runs scored by Indian team in the first 5 overs of a match. Then look at the question. In which over did the team score the most runs? Here the vertical line shows runs and horizontal line shows overs. By analyzing this graph, we can see that at the third over, they scored the most runs. At the third over, they took 30 runs. What is the total runs scored in the first 3 overs? For finding out the total runs scored in the first 3 overs, we have to add runs scored in these 3 overs. In the first over, they took 15 runs. In the second over, they took 5 runs. And the third over, they took 30 runs. So, the total runs scored in the first 3 over will be 15 plus 5 plus 30. That is equal to 50. Then, next one. What is the total runs scored in the first 5 overs? For finding out the total runs, we have to add the runs scored by each over. That is 15 plus 5 plus
30 plus 20 plus 5.
By adding these numbers, we get 75.
That is, the total runs scored in the first 5 overs is 75. Look at the next activity, enrollment. The enrollment of a children in class first of a school in 5 years is given in the bar graph below. Here the vertical line shows the number of students and the horizontal line shows years. Then can you say in which year did the most number of children join? By looking the graph, we can see that in 2013 the rectangle has highest value. That is, the most number of students joined in 2013. That is 100 students joined in 2013. But in 2013, the tip of the rectangular bar lies little bit above the value of 100. So we cannot interpret the actual number of students that joined in 2013. It may be the value as 101 or 102 like that. For convenience, I choose the value as 100. So around 100 students are joined in 2013. In which the enrollment is more, 2012 or 2013, how many more? In 2013, 100 students joined. In 2012, about 90 students joined. That is, the number of more students joined in 2013 than 2012 is 100 minus 90. That is equal to 10. 10 more students joined in 2013 than 2012. In which year did the enrollment is least? How many less than the previous year? By analyzing the graph, we can see that in 2011 the enrollment is least. That is about 60 students joined in 2011. How many less than the previous year? In previous year, that is 2010, 70 students joined. But in 2011, only 60 students joined in class first. So, can you say how many less than the previous year? For that, by subtracting the number of students in 2010 minus the number of students in 2011. That is 70 minus 60 equal to 10. Then look at the next activity, time for TV. The bar diagram below shows the information collected on TV viewing. Here the vertical line shows the number of TV viewers and the horizontal line shows time. Then how many people watch TV for exactly 1 hour? For exactly 1 hour, 14 viewers are watching TV. How many spend 3 hours for watching TV? There are 20 viewers watching TV for 3 hours. How many spend more than 2 hours for watching TV? By adding the number of viewers in 3 hours, 4 hours and 5 hours. For 3 hours, 20 viewers. For 4 hours, 18 viewers. And for 5 hours, 10 viewers. By adding these, we get number of viewers spent more than 2 hours for watching TV. That is 20 plus 18 plus 10. That is equal to 48. That is 48 viewers spent more than 2 hours for watching TV. Then next one, can you make more questions based on this? Yes. We can make questions like how many people watch TV for 4 hours and more. Then how many people watch TV less than 2 hours. Then how many people watch TV less than 4 hours. Like this we can make more questions. Thus by using pictogram and bar diagram we can analyze the information easily. This unit ends here. Study well. Okay. Thank you.